This video is going to be a little bit different. So if you've been watching this channel, you know I go on these solo trips for the most part. But my real job is I'm a track coach at Wichita State Track and Field. And our team is heading to a competition this weekend in Colorado Springs, Colorado. Pretty big meet for us. It's our last meet of the indoor season. And so I'm going to take you along with what it's like to travel with the Shockers, what it's like to travel with the Division I track and field team. I'm not sure if I'll be able to document things as thoroughly as when I'm doing things by myself, because I do have a job to do. But I'll try to do my best and maybe give you a little bit of what it's like to be in Colorado Springs, because it's a very beautiful part of the United States over there in the Rocky Mountains, and also what it's like to travel with a Division I track team, like I said. So we're excited, and I think it'll be should be a fun and interesting trip. This will be a little bit different, so if you've gotten bored with my videos by now, this might be something to change it up a little bit. So let's hop on the bus and let's travel with the Shockers. Rob, he's in charge of the whole trip. So what do you think that the people over here think in running this place when we roll in with 75 people at one time?
Oh, I know their heart dropped right when they walked in.
They did good. The City Walk people pretty much hate us.
And then?
That's fine.
Yes! There you go. Hey, every time.
Feel that?
2,846. 6 through 14. Down 14 will be 120. Minutes after the 800 has finished up. We would appreciate your
Set.
It's beautiful. It is an amazing facility. Fun to travel, get out of Wichita for a little bit, and it's just it's a privilege to be able to compete. I know a lot of schools are not competing, so it's fun. I'm happy to be here.
I'm Sadie Booth. Had a great practice today.
Hi.
Man, we were waiting for her weights to land. That's why it takes so long, because they go so far.
The form chart in all the events. That's your objective, is to look at your events and figure out how can we outperform this form chart in the events that I compete in. That's our process. That's what we do. And we have done it successfully. We've won 34 team titles in the last 19 years at Wichita State in track and field and cross country. And we're going to continue battling for high finishes for team titles. That's what we do. To be an encouragement to anybody who might be going through some challenges, some difficulties, some rough times. That's why I mentioned some athletes that have risen above some of those challenges and have begun to demonstrate that they're headed in the right direction, or have significantly headed in the right direction, like I talked about with Michael Bryan.
So it's the final morning of our last day here in Colorado Springs, and so I'm going through all the results, trying to figure out how we stack up in the meet, and looks like our women may have a chance to win the meet. Our men are battling maybe second place. Air Force looks like they're going to be a tough team to beat at this meet, but part of my job is to keep track of all that stuff and to keep our team informed and to keep our coaches informed, and as we try to fight and claw for every point that we can to try to help the team. So exciting final day. This is where all the running event finals are, and a lot more of the field events. So it's been a fun meet. Let's hope we can finish it out strong.
Got in there. I felt good today. Warmed up pretty early just to get ready for it, and it was a great race. Had those guys pushing me really well.
It is 2:50 in the morning, and we have just dropped off all the kiddos off the bus, and finally gonna head home. So it was a successful weekend in Colorado Springs. We brought home some hardware and had a lot of fun and a cool place to have a track meet. So hopefully you all enjoyed that little peek into what it's like to travel with the Shockers. And until next time, we'll see you later.